why I'm feeling disgusting? Because I'm disgusting. Did you get it? Oh my gosh, look at how clear that picture is. It's pretty good. How did he go from crying to having such a good time? His eyes. Where you going? Where you going? Yeah? Yeah? Look at how well you're walking. Oops.